I'm here at 45 Indian Hill Road in Medfield, Massachusetts, and this is our newest listing on the market. If you are looking to purchase a single family home with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, this property sits on a beautiful lot and a great neighborhood, then we invite you to come to our open houses that is going to be this weekend. The first open house will be on March 9 from 12 to 3, and the second open house will be on March 10. So if you are looking to purchase a single family home in Medfield, or you know someone that is looking for a single family home in Medfield, Massachusetts, please join us to our upcoming open houses. I'm 𝚃𝚑𝚎 with the 𝚃𝚑𝚎 real estate team at William Ravis, and I'll be here and waiting for you, and I wish you can be the lucky buyer for this property.